Emma, come back this way. Good job. Oh, amazing. Why don't you try it without? Try it without. Show us. Try it without. Show me. There you go. Woo! Uh-oh. Okay. You go. You're okay. Just skate, honey. Don't worry about it. Come on. Got it, girl. Oh, Daddy. Show me how you do 1 foot. Good job. Good stuff. And a twirl. Wow.
See, get some speed going down there and then we'll turn. Okay?
Yay! There she comes. You gonna twirl? Try again with no pusher. Good girl. 1 foot. I can't see you. I wish I had Zoom. Hold on. We're getting to something good here. Oh, maybe not. She ditched Daddy. I can't see you when you're that far away. Woo! What was that? Okay, can you get up? Okay. Well, get up. Okay. All right, come on. Put it away. Let's try.
Oh, we're gonna
Well, I'm glad you had your helmet on. Okay, stand up, honey, and we'll try one more time without the pusher. One more time without the pusher, okay? And then Mommy's going to stop recording.
Okay.
There she goes. Now Mommy's losing her balance. Good girl. Is there anybody behind me? There. You got to use your picks, just like you did before. Good girl. Oh, Daddy. Good job, Em. Look at me. Come here. Come here. Look at me. Little monster. Off she goes. Hello. Okay, try again. No pusher. Push it away. Oh. Push it away. Atta girl. It's a miracle. Come on. Come see Mom. This way. Oh. That's right. 1 foot, Em. You gonna do one more? Good job. Do 1 foot, Em. Come on, show me. Quick. Show me. Good. Stop. Daddy, do 1 foot. Woo! Woo! Okay, hop over the line. Go. Hop. Well, kinda. Okay, your turn. Hop. Good stuff. Okay, Em, hop. Well, pardon? Her name is Emma.
Hey, I got a friend named Emma.
What's your name? Jessa?
No, Trista.
Trista. That's a very pretty name. Okay, go again. Hop over the line. Here she comes. Hop, hop. Good. Stop. Okay. Right. Okay, Em. Perfect, Em. Keep going. Good stuff, Emma.